Welcome to Love Them Knives channel. We have a sale with O Knife? No. O Light? No. O Buy. O Buy. Oh, by the way, and O Buy has O Knives, and they have Kaiser knives, and they got all kinds of EDC stuff, titanium stuff, pry bars. Some things are made in the USA, even. As amazing as that may seem, hammocks, camping goods, pots and pans that you can use at the campground, and ski poles, trek poles, whatever. I mean, not ski poles, but trekking poles, all kinds, and lights and different things. Okay. And they also make holsters that will fit your Glock that has an O light weapon light on it, a pistol light on it that actually is made to fit that. They've got like 4 different Kydex holsters. So they've got all kinds of gear, EDC gear, knife gear, camping gear, and others. I mean, crazy things. Okay. So this is a sale. This is their first anniversary sale. Okay. It goes from 8 p.m. on 9/17 to 11:59 p.m. on 9/23 Eastern Daylight Time. Go on and use my link below. Okay, use my link below. It'll take you right there. It's just, I did it for your convenience. Besides the fact that, yes, they do. Yeah, it helps my channel if you use my link. And then they know I exist too, as well. But spin to win, my friends. Spin to win. I already spun. I spun twice. I got 50 O coins, and the second time I got 50 O coins, and I'll bet the third time I'm going to get 50 O coins. Oh, well. Okay, so a free tier gift. They have tier gifts. If you spend so much money, you get this. If you spend a little bit more, you get that. This. Okay? But no matter what, you get this. Okay? You get a titanium, I believe that's a titanium bead lanyard, okay? Free random patch, this one or this one, but you get a random patch. And I'll take you to the sale here in a little bit, but I want to go over some items that I have here. And this is like the O Knife zone. So they got the O Knife zone, okay? They got the Oramake Monsoon Outdoor Kitchen Set. They got the Heron R1. They got the Sentry L1. And of course, they're talking about the bead there. Now, kick it to the next page, and I will go through this a little bit closer. But the O tackle, and they've got the O tackle D1. This is the R1. This opens up. It's got little bits in it. It's crazy. I don't have that one. I thought I did, but I think for sure I'm going to get that. This O Knife Oticle A1, Oticle A1, and this is the dog, baby. I did a video on this. I can't remember. It's been a couple months ago. This is the A1, and yeah, bang, bang. And you can take that head off if you want, okay? This is sharp, okay? This is sharp. Okay, hold on. And I did this when I reviewed this, but it's like, are you kidding me? That is sharp, okay? G10 full tang banger, right? Wow. Okay, so this will be on there as well. And it's a dog. It's a big ass dog. Let's lay it over there. But there's going to be a bunch of gear. I mean, titanium whistle. There's this little titanium crazy thing here, which is actually works. I mean, this is a compass, and yes, that's north and that's south and blah, blah, blah. And it's a whistle as well. Okay, put it on the lanyard, do what you want with it. They've got some other things in there. A little titanium piece with a knife and a seatbelt cutter in there as well that you can get in either silver or purple. I got this not too long ago. I think that's still on their site, and it's next to nothing, but it's a little lockback. You can keychain it and this and that. I mean, all kinds of stuff. Now, but let's talk about the elephant in the room, which is these knives here. So let's get into it. And this Heron R1 comes with this patch. Is that cool? I put it on my patch wall. I got a patch wall right in front of me. I tilt my camera up. Check that out. Patch wall, patch wall. Okay. So I'm working on that. So, okay. So you can see where that's going to go. Unless my wife takes it from me because she likes all things desert. But that is way cool. And of course, it comes in a little, you know, pouch. And here's the box. Okay. This is the Heron R1. It's in D2, G10, 3.4 ounces, 3.2 inch blade, 7.5 inches overall length, G10, nice, tan blade, a nice kind of distinct contrast here. And of course, with the coating on, it'll help corrosion resistance because this is a semi-stainless, okay? But deep carry pocket clip, tapered screws, they're flat right there and you can flip it. There's your lanyard hole. And it's like an axis lock knife, so that's easy. And you know that since Kaiser's making them, they're a good solid knife and it's light enough. This is going to be an easy carry right here. Okay, so that's just one of them. Okay, I talked about this one before. This is a Sentry R1. Okay, this is another kind of axis lock looking knife. Look at this, and it's thin. It's thin, but whoa, baby. Okay, well, since we already talked about this, boom, that is really sharp. And this is, I believe this is 14C, 14C28N, and it's got a pocket clip. You can EDC this thing, contoured G10, and I just thought it was so cool because it's huge. It's like over 10 inches overall length, okay? So this is insane, and you know what? Now that I've got this off my chest to do this sale video for them, it's going in the kitchen. 4.5 inch blade. I mean 4.5 inch cutting edge and over 10 inches, almost 10.25 inches overall length, but thin blade stock and insane. But here comes this one. This is a new one for this month. This is in D2, and this is not the Sentry R1. This is the Sentry L1. It's an L of a knife, isn't it? It'll elevate things for you. Look at this. Oh my God, this is really grippy G10 blackwash blade. Boom. And oh no, this is not a super thin little blade here. And cleaverize me, baby. Wow. Oh yeah, this weighs way more than that dog does. But D2, so I'm going, this ain't a kitchen knife, really. And I guess not. It's a liner lock. And I don't want this to fall on my thumb, but okay, good. Okay. Now, so the little flipper tab hits you in the thumb, boom, drops. Of course, tapered screws in here, deep carry, pocket clip, right hand only again, though. And then lanyard hole area, open design, pretty hefty standoffs on here. So this is available as well on the sale, right? And talk about a dog. How big do you think this dog is? Let's check it out. This is crazy, okay? Well, it's not 4.5 inches, but it's a little over 4 inches and it's about 9.5 overall length. So there you go. Yeah, it's so you get a couple of these dogs. Now, who OEMs these for them? I don't know. Kaiser's doing everything else for them. I'm thinking this might be Kaiser stuff, okay, as well. I can't swear to that, but that'd be my best guess. And, these are not very expensive. They're like 50 something dollars a piece. So, and then I'll take you to the sale and you can check them out along with a lot of other things as well. Now, last but not least, is this kitchen set. And I'm always like, I'm kind of lost on kitchen stuff. I'm not really there on that stuff. But this is the 1.4 116 steel, and this is that German steel. That's a stainless steel. It's the Monsoon series, okay, and Oramake, and they're 2 knives in 1 sheath, okay. So here's the smaller one, okay. So that would be for finer work and maybe deboning chicken or doing different things like that. But it's the 1.4 116. So it's a German stainless. So it ought to be good for kitchen duty. I think they're really talking about camping knives, for kitchen camping knives for these. And it's a slender blade stock, but this G10 kind of, layered G10 look on these. And it looks like you undo these screws, you can pop these scales off, this and that. Okay, so there's that one. And then here's number 2. Okay. Whew, big dog. Okay, now what do we got? Oh, was that a tip protector in there? Okay, yeah, probably. But here it is. Thin blade stock. Same kind of steel. Okay, kind of a lanyard hole in on both of them if you want. And sacrificial paper time. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No problem there. Now let's try this one. It didn't even move. It just was separated. Okay. So yes, all these dogs are sharp out of the box, and they're inexpensive. I mean, you're not going to pay no $100 or any of that kind of stuff for a set of those, but they're going to be on this Obuy sale as well. And there's going to be a couple of HX knives. If you've been watching my channel, or if you've seen some of the stuff from like 5 years ago, I used to have HX knives on there. And so there's a couple of HX knives, a fixed blade, and kind of an axe looking thing, but it's only like 9 1/4 overall length. So it's not going to be like this, okay? And it's going to have a ring on the end, and I'll take you to the sale and you can take a look, use my link, log in, okay? And take advantage of, and just like ponder, look around, see what they have on Obuy, because it's a way different mix of goods than Olight has, even though you go on the Obuy site, they got a link to Olight. Go on the Olight side, then they have a link to Obuy. So they're sister companies. And unfortunately, they're having their sales at about the exact same time. So also note that Olight has a sale going down from the 19th to the 23rd. This one is from the 17th to the 23rd. So check them both out. And you're at the Obuy sale. Oh, by the way, go up there and get your free login gift to the top left. Next one over, free random patch. Don't forget to spin the lucky wheel for prizes. Look at the free tier gifts. If you're going to spend a certain amount of money, you're going to get a free tier gift. Of course, this goes from 9:17 to 8 p.m. Eastern Time to 11:59 p.m. on 9/23 Eastern Time. Okay? Check this out. O-Knife, O-Bead T1 Titanium, that's free. So you get the little paracord, you get the lanyard bead, all that. Okay, then the O-Knife Heron R1, we talked about that. The Oramake, yes. The Sentry L1, that's brand new. And you save money, 20% off. 20% off the Heron R1 as well. You can get the O-Tackle A1, the hatchet with pry bar, everything, that's 20% off. The O-Knife O-Whistle, the O-Tackle R1, and then the O-Tackle D1, which is a nice little deal. And I thought I had one, but I guess not. So that I'll probably have to get right there. $32, but it'll give you your Torxes, and I think even a little Phillips and screwdriver. So that's worth checking out. Okay, and I believe that's titanium. The Oramake, that set, of course, is on discount, and it's $76.49 for the set, includes the sheath, etc. The Sentry L1, $51.99. I like it. It's dog. If you like big knives and you like the cleaver thing, and or you think this might be nice to have just for outdoor cooking or even some kitchen duty, hey, there you go. And that one, yeah, it's got a big ass blade on it. It's a nice big knife for different tasks around the kitchen for sure. Once again, your titanium bead for free. Okay, here's the O knife O tackle D1. Spending too much time on this, I guess, but I find this particularly interesting since it's got a T8 and a T6, okay? As well as it looks like it's got a little Phillips, etc., okay? So that might be nice to have. And if you'll notice the top left, yeah, this is really interesting because this little titanium piece here is made in the USA. And there are others that are on this site, like the one in the lower right, made in the USA. So they're doing some products there that are made in the US. The one on the top right, the Akula FK01, that looks fascinating as well. And here there's some HX knives that I've reviewed, the fixed blade, the second one in, before on my channel years ago, okay? And I believe that's a D2. And then this little hatchet type item looks fascinating as well. It's very inexpensive, right? But then down below, this whole row at the bottom are Kydex holsters that will also accommodate, and when you've got an O-light pistol light hooked up to your Glock or whatever, this will accommodate that. The HX Outdoors Mercenaries 5129 is D2, comes with a Kydex sheath. That's really nice. And then here's this, but this is only 11.4 ounces, only 9.4 inches long, but it's a 40 CR13 stainless, probably for toughness because you're going to use it, you know, chopping on things, this and that. And here's the different pistol sheaths on the top row, and even got some dog gear down on the bottom, backpacks, and of course, then you got this desert warrior type of Hank, made in the USA. Once again, made in the USA. 3 of the 4 holsters are made in the USA. And here's this one, Insane Kydex Creations. Right here it talks about, I believe, for the Glock 19 and the PL Turbo, the O-Light PL Turbo. They've got sunglasses, they've got hydro packs, they've got titanium pry bars and whistles, all that. So here's a little bit more information on the Akula FK01. Wow. This O-Tool titanium alloy emergency whistle with knives. So on one side it's got a seatbelt cutter, but on the other side it's got a regular blade. So I find that, yeah, that's kind of cool, isn't it? And you can get it in purple or silver. Okay, let's go back. All right, welcome back. Thank you so much. Use the link below. It's Obuy first anniversary sale. And hey, you know what? I pick and choose. There's a lot of things on the Obuy site. It's not pertinent to what I want to do or what I want to get, but there are products there that, yes, I do want to check out and I think are very interesting. So have fun. Take care and stay sharp.